Looking to enable Adobe Flash Player on Chrome? Let's get your browser ready for Flash content with these quick and easy steps. Let's begin. First off, let's give your browsing experience a boost by enabling hardware acceleration. Here's how. Open your Google Chrome browser. Now spot those three little dots in the top right corner? Click them. Scroll down and click on Settings. Then navigate to System. You'll see an option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Go ahead and toggle that on. Chrome will ask you to relaunch to apply the changes. Click on Relaunch. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Didn't fix your issue? No problem, let's try updating Chrome. Again, open up Chrome. Click those three dots, hover over Help, and then click on About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates. If there's one waiting, it'll start updating automatically. Once it's done, restart Chrome and you're all set. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Still need a solution? Alright, let's enable Flash for those sites that still need it. Open Chrome, click on the three dots, and select Extensions. Then click on Visit the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Flash Player for Web and hit Enter. Find Flash Player for Web in the results. Click on it, and then click Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. To test it out, simply search Flash Player Test in your browser's search bar. And click on one of the test sites to see if it's working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.